Hello guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThoughts and the most excellent series of Zero to Hero Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright guys, we are on lesson number 63 and I am going to show you how to access a tuple. It's almost the same way how I showed you how to access a list, right? It's almost in the similar lines. So basically in a tuple you can access the items by referring to the index numbers, all right, inside a square bracket. Remember, inside a square bracket. Okay, let me show you an example guys. Let me go back to my terminal, clear this. All right, I am already logged into Jetson Nano. Let's get into nano.tuple, tuple.py. Why am I doing this mistake again and again? Alright, let me delete this old program and let me create a new one. This tuple equal round bracket, say Avengers, close the quote, separate with a comma, and then create another value, say Tom, close, and then create another value, let's say Iron Man. Okay, now close the bracket. Let's say print this tuple. Now how did you access the list? Using list, what did you do? Index, right? How do you open the index? With a square bracket, right? Square bracket. Okay, and then let's say we have 1 2 3 in the list, say 1. Close the square bracket and then you got to close the entire stuff, right? Because you are accessing this list, so you got to close the entire bracket, round bracket, and then declare, you need to call for the index number 1 which starts from 1. Right, now let's save it. Control O, enter, Control X. Now say Python 3 tuple.py. Index number 1, what was that? After Avengers, because it starts from 0, right? So it shows Tom. There you go guys. So accessing a tuple from the list is almost the same. It's accessing the tuple is almost same to the list what I showed you in the previous chapters. That there's not much of difference. All right guys, so all right, thanks for watching and do take your time to leave a comment below and please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. I'm going to be back soon in the next video.